In the heart of Venice, where gondolas glide gently through canals, lived Antonio, a very special cricket. Unlike other crickets who chirp simple tunes, Antonio could play violin concertos by rubbing his legs together in the most magical way. He was named after the famous composer Antonio Vivaldi, who was also from Venice and was known as the Red Priest because of his bright red hair. Just like his namesake, Antonio dreamed of making beautiful music that could enchant the world. One sunny morning, Antonio noticed something strange as he hopped along the grassy banks of a canal. Snowflakes were falling softly from the sky, even though summer had just begun. Across the countryside, flowers were blooming against frosty winter winds. The seasons were all mixed up, and the creatures of Venice were baffled. The birds were confused, the fish swam oddly, and even the gondoliers paused their singing. Antonio knew what had happened. The magical sheet music for Antonio Vivaldi's famous work, The Four Seasons, had been scrambled. Descriptive. This remarkable group of 4 violin concertos each painted a musical picture of a season: spring filled with lively birdsong, summer echoing thunderous storms, autumn alive with festive dances, and winter crisp with chattering teeth and crackling fires. Without the music in the right order, the seasons couldn't follow their natural rhythm. Determined to set things right, Antonio set off on a musical adventure. Focused. His first task was to find the sweet bird song of spring. In a blooming garden, he listened carefully and rubbed his legs to mimic the chirps and trills. The melody filled the air, and suddenly, tiny buds began to sprout on trees, bringing the scent of new life. Next, Antonio sought the roaring thunderstorm of summer. He climbed atop a sunny rooftop and joined the rumbles of thunder, the sizzling of distant lightning, and the buzzing of thirsty flies in his violin concerto. His music rolled like heavy clouds, and soon warm rains danced over canals, coaxing summer fruits to ripen. For autumn's festive dance, Antonio found a lively piazza where people gathered to celebrate the harvest. With nimble legs, he rubbed out rhythms that matched the rustle of falling leaves, crackling fires, and joyful footsteps. His tune was lively and warm, and the countryside burst with golden colors and the smell of ripe grapes. Finally, Antonio needed the chill of winter. Near snowy rooftops, he listened to the gentle chattering of teeth and the whispered crackling of fires inside cozy homes. He played a slow and quiet concerto, his music sparkling like frost on windows. The cold settled softly, wrapping Venice in a peaceful white blanket. With all 4 sounds collected and played in the correct order, Antonio felt the magic course through the air. The scrambled sheet music began to glow and rearrange itself. The seasons returned to their rightful places. Spring blossomed, followed by summer's sunshine, autumn's harvest, and winter's calm. The creatures of Venice cheered, and the canals seemed to sing with joy. Antonio was proud. Proudly, not only had he saved the seasons, but he had also honored the spirit of Antonio Vivaldi by bringing music and nature together once more. And every time the wind rustled through the city, Antonio's violin-legged concertos could be heard, reminding everyone of the magic that music and a brave little cricket can bring to the world. Fun facts. Did you know that Antonio Vivaldi wrote over 500 concertos in his lifetime? His music includes sounds like barking dogs, buzzing flies, and crackling fires, making the Four Seasons one of the most exciting and vivid pieces ever composed. Just like Antonio the cricket, Vivaldi created music that told beautiful stories about nature and life in Venice.